5:40. So if you get to your Suda and you might have too much to drink, you'll come to the 1:30 so you won't miss Mincha. Uh, now for tomorrow morning we'll be davening at 6:10. Now for a very quick Debar Torah. One of the things that you notice in the Megillah is that the way we celebrate Purim is, besides having a nice party, or a good party, is that we give matanot l'evyonim, we take care of each other, that you're required to give a mishloach manot to somebody personally. It's not enough just to go to a doorman, say, give this to him. You have to hand it to them personally, to at least two people. And the idea behind it is this is what helps unite us. The problem the Jewish people always have is when we're not united, a lot of bad things will happen to us. If you remember, we learned on Tisha B'Av that we weren't united. The whole story about what was going on in Yerushalayim just before the destruction, because Jews were fighting with each other for no good reason. The solution, as Rabbi Kook pointed out, is what he called avat chinam, senseless love. That Jew go to Jew, say, look here's a gift for you, come to my party. In other words, which leads to the famous story of the destruction of Beit HaMikdash was because of Kamsa Bar Kamsa, where somebody was denied entry to a party. Here we're saying, come to the party. Whatever problems we have, we'll deal with them tomorrow. Today we're united as a people. Something important to think about, a Kaddish D'Rabbanan.